Hey guys, we're back in another video, another baseball card unboxing. This is the last one because this is the last cards. Whew. 2020 cards too, and there's 9 cards in each pack. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna have to go and get scissors, so I'll be right back, vlog. Okay guys, I couldn't find any scissors, so I don't need scissors. All I need is just my teeth to open this pack. I'm doing just fine. Part of the Astros, Chris Davinsky, pitcher. That was Zach Davies' pitcher, which I think was part of the last video, which I think actually got uploaded on the last video. But yeah, Orioles, Chris Davis, first base. Phillies, Josh Harrison, second base. Giants, Keen Wong, second base of Rookie Performers, which is a rare one. The Reds, Wade Miley, pitcher. Cubs, Robel Garcia, second base of Twins. I have 2 twins now. Josh Donaldson, third base. And Marinos. Tim Lopes. I don't know how to say that. But second base. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Goodbye. This is the last one. I'm gonna really miss these. But I am gonna miss these. I actually will. But this one just got hurt. Breaking. Rookie Performers, the rare one's getting broke. Where's the rare one getting broke? Where? Oh, I dropped the card on the ground. Sorry, Keen Wong. But you've just been replaced. No, I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding. But like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and goodbye.